What's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you wanted to. All it takes is that one look you do, and I run right back to you. You cross the line, and it's time to say F you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I'll react? You think you can just take it back, but shit just don't work like that. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad.
How are you today? Welcome to the chocolate party. We are Beñat and Mayoa. We are very happy that you are here. We are the students of Fox Primary, and we prepare different activities for you, like games, songs, and theaters. We have been working a long time, and we will you enjoy a lot. Okay, now our first student is going to make a theater for you.
I guess I'm stuck with you, and that's that.
One day, Hocus and Lotus were at home. Rat was coming to visit that afternoon, so Hocus was preparing tea. Rat is coming, so I'm going to prepare the tea. Lotus, I'm going to buy lemonade. Don't touch the chocolate. No, Hocus, I don't touch the chocolate. You won't touch the chocolate, will you? No. Okay, Lotus, goodbye. Goodbye. Lotus sits on the chair looking at chocolate. This bit is for Rat. This bit is for Hocus. This bit is for me. And this bit is for nobody. Delicious chocolate. 1 and 2. That's right. This bit is for Rat, but it's very big. I broke up. Delicious chocolate. But this is very big. I broke up. After a while, Hocus came home. Hello, Lotus. I'm here and I have the lemonade. Oh dear, what's wrong to you? I have a pain. Where? Here in my tummy. You must go to bed. Come on. Is that better? I want my teddy. I can have my teddy bear, please. Okay, Lotus. Is that better? Yes, thank you, Hocus. Yes, hello, doctor. It's Hocus. Lotus is ill. She's in bed now. An injection? Okay, if you have, goodbye. Lotus, the doctor says you have to put an injection. An injection? I don't want an injection. Yes. At that moment, there was a knock on the door. This is the doctor. Alright, it's you.
Hello, good afternoon.
We can't do the tea. Lotus is ill.
Oh no, poor Lotus.
This present is for Lotus?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye, Rat. Goodbye. Lotus, it wasn't the doctor. It was Rat. I have a present for you. A book? A puzzle? Oh no, it's chocolate.
'Cause when it all falls down, then what?
Voy a hacer a tu presente diferente por chocolate. ¿Cuál color es el chocolate? Yes, it's black because it doesn't have milk. Yes, it's brown because it has milk. Yes, it's white because it has a substance. What is your favorite type of chocolate? My favorite type of chocolate is white because I love milk. And yours, Ashley? My favorite type of chocolate is brown because I love milk.
When it don't work out.
We are in a conference and we are going to make the testing game.
And I'm going to make an example of this testing game.
Then, student is going to put the hand like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, you can eat. No, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, you can eat. Brown. Black. Very good. 1, 2, 3. You got it.
For the better, if it just ain't right, and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down, when it all falls down, I'll be fine.
Good morning, me llamo Escuela. ¿Y qué?
A Miguel.
Because some letters with different types of chocolate. You want to see chocolate ice cream?
I'm going to read it.
Hace una buena gente.
I stand up and I will be chocolate biscuits.
Chocolate bar.
Chocolate bar.
Hello kids, we are John and Naya and we are going to play a game with you.
In a game we have to make a drawing. Do you know which is a drawing? Here I have some flashcards of colors. What is this color? Wow! Fantastic. And this? Pink. Very good. And this? Black. Good. Okay, now the color is very good. Now, I will show you the numbers. What number is this? 9. Fantastic. This? 8. Good. 4.
You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad, but I'll be fine.
Chocolate, 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 chocolate. You are here. Let's continue. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. And you are standard. Brown,
Why we fight, I don't know. We say what hurts the most. Oh, I tried staying calm.
chocolate, chocolate, brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate. Anytime, day or night. Sweet, sweet, and sticky to touch. No, we see it.
Do you take it personal? All these firing.
Hello kids, we are Aranya, David and Millon. We are going to make a parcel. This is a parcel. They have a lot of papers and inside there was a surprise. When you open one paper is an off. To play this game we need to put in a circle. Come on, put in a circle. We are going to play. Please, John, put in the middle. I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Espera. I don't. Chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown. Now.
It's way too hard to call, but I still can't let you go.
'Cause when